Hello everyone, have a nice day. This video I am going to show interesting solution. So let's see. This question is project's name is A and expected value taka 1 crore and 20 lakh. Standard deviation taka 35 lakh. So requirement is calculate the risks of the above projects in terms of coefficient of variation. So we can see standard deviation is 35 lakh and expected value is 1 crore and 20 lakh. So we can write CV, that means coefficient variation, CV equal standard deviation. Standard deviation over expected value into 100. We know standard deviation is taka 35 lakh. So we can write now standard deviation is 35 lakh over expected value is 1 crore and 20 lakh. 1 crore and 20 lakh into 100 equal 29.17%. This is answer.